right, this is the view from my cell phone stand. So as you can see, both hands are free. I'm able to record and, you know, use both of my hands freely. So this is awesome. If you like this thing, you can open boxes, show the product inside. This is where the cell phone stand came in. So really awesome product. Highly recommend it if you want to do videos, use both your hands, and don't have to worry about shaking the camera, things like that. All right, let me show you this cell phone stand. So this is awesome to record your videos when you don't want to hold your phone in one hand like I'm doing now. So this goes a little bit over 3 inches, and the whole stand itself is about 3 feet long. So let's go ahead and mount this and show you how it looks. Okay, so I went ahead and mounted it on my table. There's a clamp right there, really easy. You just turn this to tighten it. It has rubber pads on the inside, on the top and the bottom. It won't damage whatever surface you put it on. And there's a clamp for the cell phone, and this thing is awesome. You could spin it 360 degrees, any direction. You could bend it, fold this, make it closer or all high up. So I really like this thing. Let's put it to use. Start your video. You have both hands free. And if you want to record you just standing up, you could just turn it, adjust the view. There you go. Now you can start talking to the camera, interact with it, hands free. Perfect. This thing is really awesome. I highly recommend it. Hello everyone, it's your favorite veteran. Thank you for watching. Hope you hit the like and the subscribe button. Have a blessed day. Thank you.